distressed edges in Photoshop. Learn how to create distressed edges from scratch in Photoshop using an eraser brush. If you are wondering how to create distressed edges in Photoshop, you are in luck. This tutorial will show you how to do exactly that. We will be making the distressed edges from scratch using a brush. We will be using bold in Photoshop brushes, but there are all kinds of Photoshop brushes on design bundles that you can use instead. The brush you choose to use does not even really have to be a distressed or grown brush. Step 1. Create your new document. Make your document a large size as the finished design will be used with other project. We made our 3600 x 3600 pixels with the resolution option set to 300 pixels and the background contents option set to white. Note, if you just have an image that you want to add a distressed edge to, you can open that image instead. Continue on with step 2. Step 2. Add a new layer. Go to Windows Layer to open the Layers panel and click the Create a New Layer icon at the bottom. Step 3. Add a stroke to the new layer. Select the rectangle marquee tool and then enter canvas by pressing Ctrl Command plus A. Next, right click on the canvas and select stroke. In the stroke panel, enter a width. We entered 200 px, but your will depend on the size of your document. You may have to do a little trial and error with it. Now pick a color. The color can be any color you want that's not the same as the background. We choose the color black. Then select inside for the location and click OK. Then right click on the canvas and choose deselect. Control Command plus D. Select and modify a brush for the eraser tool. Select the eraser tool is then open the brushes panel window brushes and search for one of the following brushes to use. Check brush close edge. Wet spread hardness setting not available. Note, if you use a brush that does not have the hardness setting available, you may have to brush over the areas multiple times to erase blend out the harsh straight border. Click on the brush present picker icon in the options bar at the top, then increase the size and hardness of the brush. You can come back and change the setting if needed. Step 5. Erase the back. Erase the black stroke border. Slowly erase the inside of the black stroke border all the way around. You will see the distressed edges start to form. If you were adding distressed edges to an actual image, you could skip to step 7. Step 6. Export the distressed edge border. You can export the distressed edge border you we created to use on other projects. Hide background layer. Before you export, you must click the eye icon for the background layer to hide it. Export distressed edge border. The click on File Export. Export is the most important part of the export as dialog is making, so